Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today I'm at Bill Thomas Campers sitting inside a 2022 Grand Design Solitude 378MBS. This is a really nice one. Let me show you around, just a peek on the inside. We're going to jump on the outside, do the outside, then the inside. I hope you're on my side. Give me a thumbs up if you are. So as I mentioned, this RV is offered by Bill Thomas Campers. The sticker price is $129.27. They'll deal with you on that. And again, this is a 2022 Grand Design Solitude 378MBS. Get a load of that campsite profile, and got a couple of real treats to show you. A couple of normal things you'll see, your propane bottle. Link below for new, used, service, and parts. There's the stabilizing jack, pass-through storage, and you can also see the aluminum joists, so you know that it has a solid floor. You're not going to have to worry about squeaks or water damage in the future. And then when we open up this panel, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. I know I was. This is the first I've seen of this. So I've seen the dormitory style refrigerator before, but I've never seen one of these. Normally you see this in a residential or a commercial application with wine bottles inside. As I fumble with this and can't figure out how to open it, so I'll just leave it closed and show you this. So anyway, the refrigerator to me looks a lot like what you see in restaurants or commercial applications, hotels for wine bottles. And then we also have your plug-ins for entertainment and or additional maybe a blender or something for mixing drinks. As we slide down the campsite, I failed to mention some of the pertinent details. Sleeps 7 has 4 slides. The length is 40 feet 2 inches. We have 2 awnings that you can see here. They are both power awnings and both lit 20-foot and 11-foot awnings. As we get ready to step inside, this is a Solitude, and it has the 4-season package, so it's insulated very well. As we step up inside, here you can see the office area, and then these cabinets above open from both sides. So this is really a unique setup. I'll try to show you it as best I can. It's really quite unique. I have a viewer that is looking for an office environment that he can close off and do work and not be disturbed by others. And Aaron, I think this might fit the bill. It is certainly unique. Has a small desk and that couch. When I was shooting this, I was thinking, how can I work this for Aaron? But there's the small desk, and it is a bit small, but depending on how much work you have to do, Aaron, it may work out perfect. And then these cabinets open from both sides, so I'll show you what I mean. Here's the other side of that cabinet that I opened a moment ago, and I just left this door open on this cabinet, and I'll go around to the other side and show you. But as I was saying, the length is 40 feet 2 inches. The exterior width is 8.5, which is wider than most. Exterior height, there's the pass-through storage I was mentioning. The exterior height is 13.5. Hitch weight, 2686. Gross weight of 16,800 pounds with a dry of 14.3. So if my Lindbergh High School math is still functional, which it may not be, that's about 2,500 pounds worth of storage. I'm just showing off. Lindbergh High School is kind of known for, back when I went there, it wasn't really much of a school, or we weren't really too dedicated. As far as your tank capacities, as we look at the theater seating and the armrest, the power reclining seats, the tank capacities Your fresh gray and your black are 93, 100, and 50 gallons on the black. This is the view from sitting in the theater seating, just looking around the gathering area and kitchen area. Really a nice view. Flat screen TV, so you can entertain and enjoy and relax. I wanted to see what that looked like and show you what that looked like. I failed to mention on the tires and wheels, those wheels are 17.5-inch wheels, which is a large wheel and tire setup. There's your wastebasket, and then you have these drawers in your pantry. The furnace is a 40,000 BTU furnace, which is rather large, and then the AC is a 30,000 BTU air conditioner. I absolutely love this oven and cooktop. Rather large. It's a residential and commercial style. I get chastised for saying it's a residential size, so I'll just say style. And then you have a real nice microwave oven, and then cabinet space for all your cookie sheets and your pizza sheets. As we look around the gathering area, and then your center island, and that pink on the top there, it's winterized, and I think I'll show you the thermostats. It's warmed up today. It's about 50 degrees, but inside the RVs it's still about in the low 40s, so that winterization comes in handy when the temperatures drop. So here is your 4-door refrigerator. So you have 2 doors for the refrigerator and 2 doors for your freezer. And what's really unique is we have a 12-gallon gas and electric water heater, which is really nice. And a pro tip, when you come in, go to the farthest faucet from your water heater and turn on the hot water to get your hot water flowing through all of your pipes. It will save you a lot of time. Two 7,000-pound axles. There you can see your 40,000 BTU furnace, your center island with your lighting, as well as your dining area. As we take a look at the office / bunkhouse again, and then here we have motion sensor LED lighting in the hallway, which would really come in handy as you're moving around in the night or early morning. Your bathroom with your stand-up shower and your sink. I'll show you more of that. I love the waterfall, kind of a farmer's type waterfall sink, like the old farmers would have on their farm, with a stainless steel sink. Failed to mention the refrigerator was an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. Here we have that teak wood folds down for a bench in the shower, and then you have a handheld shower as well as the rain shower head. And again, you have a 12-gallon high capacity gas and electric water heater. As we step into the bedroom, so we have this pull-out function here, so that flips up and you can put your shoes in it, and then open that up, get your shoes out, sit down on that bench to put your shoes on. And then also look at the capacity here. So there's capacity on both sides of that drawer, and then also behind it, and then also in part of the bump out, the slide. So you got plenty of underbed storage. Then we have the dresser with the flip up top. Great place to keep your firearms, your jewelry, whatever you may want to keep in there, have quick access to. Flat screen TV. And that's your 30,000 BTU air conditioning. Your pre-wired, pre-plumbed for washer and dryer setup in your closet. So you have that separate closet for your washer and dryer. Should you go that route, you can also just leave it the way it is and use it for storage. And then you have these doors that fold out of the way, and you've got plenty of storage here, plus your hang-up clothes. So if you have any hang-ups, this is a great place to put them. And then you have your shelves for your sweaters, your shoes, blankets, your flat screen TV, and then you also have plug-ins on both sides of the bed for, should you need it or use it, a CPAP machine, and then as well as charging your phones. And speaking of charging, the electrical service in this RV is a 50 amp service, so that really comes in handy. That way you don't have to do any upgrades. As we take one more look around in the bunkhouse area. So this folds. You can fold that's a top bunk. You can fold it up and it locks in the open or up position. As we look around the office environment one more time, great place for your computer or a flat screen TV, or both. Great entertainment room should you decide to use it.